потом.
Hello guys, my name is Sergey, and today I'm gonna show you how to replace the screen, the entire unit on laptop Hewlett Packard Pavilion G7. So what I did already, it was I removed the keyboard. It just have one screw underneath the laptop. So I removed the top panel out of here. I disconnected some slaves, some cords. So the next thing to do is to remove the motherboard out of this laptop. So there is a couple of the cords like over here, and one more behind that. We have to unscrew that and remove that too. So after that, the motherboard comes out really easy. So next thing to replace that is to remove two screws out on the left side and two screws out on the right side. That's what I'm gonna do right now. And supposedly this whole screen should come out. It's like you see, it's pretty easy. I already brought the new one, so it was the whole set together. If you don't get all together, you're gonna have to just work on a screen and replace that display inside. So basically we start assembling everything back. We will test it out before we're gonna put everything back together. We will connect the motherboard, all necessary parts, put battery back and see if it worked properly. The display I brought from eBay, it was cost me about 50 bucks. I think I got a pretty good deal. So see how it looks. My old one display was cracked. I'm gonna clean all these pieces afterwards. So I'm not gonna set all the keyboards, so I'm just gonna put everything together, and we're gonna have to put the hard drive back. like this. That's the speakers. That's the it's done. It goes. Yeah, we have to put this back. See how it runs. This. Put them up. So next thing, we don't need USB right now. We don't need this one right now. We need this to be connected. The display themselves. And basically the back side of that, we'll close them
so
like this.
So nothing fell off of it?
Yep. So right now we'll put them back together.
It's the Wi-Fi?
No.
Oh.
It's a different one. It's supposed to be up here. I'm gonna lock this thing or no? Yep, one thing is in place. I'm gonna have to put the second one. It's in place too. So this thing is numbered. Is 1 and 2. It does have labels on the cables, so you're not gonna miss that. So I'm gonna put back my hard drive and basically see what happens. Well, I do have some temporary hold for my hard drive over here, so we'll see.
Pretty sweet.
So let's try it.
Sure.
Okay, where is our keyboard? It's basically non-saved right now. We're gonna have to. Where's our board? Outside. That's so we have to connect the power line. I'm gonna take this battery out for a second. Put the power line back like this, and moment of truth, right?
Yep.
Good. So let's close it out again. We know that. Okay, press enter to continue. It should work without that. So it looks like, guys, it does work, so we're not gonna start the system. It does work pretty sweet. So I'm gonna continue to clean the cooler fan because it's pretty dirty right now. So again, I'm gonna remove this cord out of here, and basically, yeah, that's how we're doing. If you want to see how to remove and clean the cooler fan, stay on and subscribe. Just continue to film. So we disconnect all our plugs over here. So we're gonna remove on the back side that screw. We'll remove the temporary tape. Let's flip it.
How would you do it?
So now we can remove disconnect this plate to this connection. So yeah, here is the cooler. It's pretty easy to change them, and that's why sometimes it doesn't cool the laptop because of the dirty, and you know, it's just the dirty which is in air. You can't just quit it. It appears in every single house. Even if you do clean your house very well, the air system just move it on, and cooler it suck. I'm gonna go quick outside, vacuum this really good, flash it out, and put everything together. See you soon.